really, nigga?
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Jesus Christ.
Bruh.
What is good, YouTube? It's your girl EARTHY back with another video for y'all with another banger, okay? So today in this video, as you've seen from the title, I will be doing a DIY putting up vines and LED lights on this pretty beige wall. Just wanted me a nice little backdrop so when I make videos for you guys, at least until I finish getting my room situated how I want it, this could be a cute little backdrop and just kind of, you know, make it look a little fancy for my videos because it looks kind of plain when you just record it on the plain black wall. I ordered these from DormVibes, but I think they are associated with Amazon, so I'm just gonna put the links down below. But yeah, this is the box, the curtain string light white. These are the lights. It's really a lot of them. This is 300 LED, so, and it comes with I think 8 settings of how you want the lights to flash. I have the vines right here as well. So this is gonna be a nice little cute, you know, a little some slight, some cute, some that you like, that you might wanna try.
No! God, please, no! No!
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. This is my first time doing this, so y'all see me looking confused or trying to figure out what I want to do, it's because I'm new to this. Okay. So watch this. So I untangled them because I was seeing from the video it's supposed to be like in a straight line. I'm trying to show y'all, but they so damn long. Yeah, so it's supposed to go out like that, and girl had these same lights, and she said, do not unravel all these or they will get tangled. Baby girl, when I say I listened, okay? Because I can tell already it's already frustrating just to untangle them into the little slots. So if I would have untied these little pieces too, we would have been in big trouble, y'all. I'm telling you.
Wow, what a moment in history. I'll never forget that. I won't forget that one.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Just so you know, if you're part of that video, you're gonna be added to that clip.
Who?
I will not be editing nothing out. You know, you should watch your butt in here. I was trying to make a video with these lights. It's the same ones I got too. Y'all can hear my mom. She's singing. cute. Hopefully that doesn't bother with them standing like that. They're so cute, y'all. Another thing that I found is they can do like different settings, like how they look. But or if you just keep them still. Add the vines. I don't know how I'm gonna put these up, but I guess I'm gonna figure out on the way. And they smell. Just let y'all know, y'all get these from DormVibes or partner with Amazon. They smell. Doesn't be fake, but I'm gonna Lysol these things. Yeah, I Lysol these. I thought I was playing. These, they stink. They don't smell like no leaves. They just smell like SHIT. I can't really be cussing. Get copyrighted. You guys, I finished product. Pretty. I am happy of how it came out. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped you guys enjoy making you guys' favorite backdrop. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.